Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, presenting to you guys one of our completed, restored DAS XJs. This XJ is currently not on the market for sale. We just wrapped it up for a customer. This was a custom order put in by the owner. It's getting ready to get shipped out. And if you guys see any dirt or any little dust, we have been driving it as we do all of our completed projects here. This particular XJ was a pretty big undertaking. Started off with the interior. We completely gutted the entire interior. It's got all new floor pans throughout the entire inside, all brand new carpet, new headliner, new visors, custom seats by Davis AutoSports. We have a black leather with an Alcantara insert. Those are heated. We also added cruise control, a full navigation, audio system, backup camera. So a ton of work done to the inside. The outside was equally thorough. We have a completely brand new paint job. We did a lot of body work to it. Rockers, all sorts of metal work has been done. We got probably 2+ weeks of metal work alone on this. Every single panel was completely sanded down to bare metal, sealed, 2K prime, base coat cleared. All the black on the XJ is all brand new Kevlar, done in-house. Underneath the hood, we have one of our DAS engines, which is a complete engine. Brand new upgraded cylinder head, crankshaft, camshaft, pistons, rings, rods, bearings, seals, timing chain. Every single internal is upgraded, valve train, everything. Obviously up front you see all the new components with the AC condenser, completely brand new upgraded cooling system as well, radiator, water pump, thermostat, all the goodies. The ignition's been done. As you see, truck light, authentic headlights as well. We do have hood vents on this particular XJ. Those are our exclusive DAS wheels. The back side of that wheel, you see a completely brand new brake system as well. Rotors, calipers, pads, stainless steel brake lines, full Rubicon Express suspension all the way around as well. All the steering components up front have also been upgraded. Tie rod bar, tie rod end, steering stabilizer, track bar, sway bar and link. Full Banks exhaust system, including the header. So we have a Banks header going down to the downpipe, high flow cat, muffler over the axle pipe, full stainless steel system. Kevlar all the way around the exterior. When we painted this XJ, all the belt moldings, the door handles, the windows came out. All 3 rear windows came completely out, so you have no tape lines whatsoever. You can lift this seal up and the paint goes all the way through, and that's with every single trim piece, door lock piece, mirror piece. Everything gets completely disassembled off of the vehicle. We have a graphite color match pinstripe by request. We have a brand new windshield. Everything underneath the hood for the most part has been replaced as well. We could make these videos an hour long if need be, but we try to get through them pretty thoroughly. Brand new carpet throughout the entire Jeep, extra thick backing as always. We're doing some WeatherTech floor liners for the customer. When we do our seats here, obviously our infamous bolsters that I mentioned in every video. It takes a lot of time to do, but very important. So 4 bolsters per seat, all of them are built. Black leather, gray Alcantara inserts, dual heated seats, Pioneer flip out. We have upgraded speakers in the doors. We have a new headliner with upgraded speakers in the rear as well. And that's a full navigation system. Brand new carpet throughout the back. We do add pockets to the back of the seats, and what we also do is we have nice little leather clips that we have there, and then we have these right here for the seat belts. New carpet throughout. A lot of other stuff done to this Jeep that obviously we can't go over everything. We did add cruise control. This is a non-factory cruise control Jeep. And that sums it up for that. I'll go ahead and, well, I was going to walk inside and show you guys some other Jeeps that we're working on, but we'll leave that for another video. If you guys have any questions about having us build your XJ or having us give you what is our most common sort of service, is providing the Jeep, the parts, the services, everything is a turnkey finished product like we did with this one here. If you guys have any questions, 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.